Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'll show how to change Gmail ID name or change Google account name. So let's see how to do that. So first of all, go to your Gmail and then open Gmail and then right top corner click on it. In this you can choose and open manage your Google account. Click here and then open personal info. Click on it. Scroll down. You can see my current Google or Gmail name Adam Smith. So click on it and then open name Adam Smith. Click here and in this here write your Gmail ID first name and then write last name, and in this way you can easily change your Gmail ID or Google account name. And then you can see save. Click on it. You can see my new Gmail ID name David Warner, and in this way you can easily change your Gmail ID name or change Google name. So thank you very much.